Remains of President of Ohaneze Ndigbo, Sir Chief Dr. Iwuanyanwu, actually arrived Owerri for his final burial. For the past 1 month now, it's been service of songs all over the state, especially in the southeast. So today, the body remains actually arrived the city of Owerri, where he hails from, for his final burial. The deputy governor of the state, wife of the deputy governor of the state, Imo State, was there along other dignitaries. I believe so. It's about to be a very, very long weekend of activities in the southeast, because Chief Iwuanyanwu was actually a great leader to the Ohaneze Ndigbo community, and I would say the entire southeast in general. So enjoy this highlight. This is how he was brought back. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
highlifeng.com.
We can see you already putting a lot in place, you know. What is the motivation?
First, I'm a son of Ikwerre, and Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu, the patriarch of Nigeria, is not just a Nigerian or someone from Imo State, but he's also from Ikwerre, my local government. So I'm a great grandson to him by virtue of his fatherly guidance to all sons and citizens of Imo State. So I'm one of those sons that he has tutored and mentored. And the only best way we can pay him is to make sure we see that his funeral is done perfectly, done with all seriousness, with all sincerity, and to give him a befitting burial. And I have to contribute my own quota, first as a son, second as a commissioner for youth, to make sure that the youths are represented in this funeral arrangement. And that's why we've come to make sure that we follow up every arrangement and give him the best burial that he can get.
Okay, Honorable Commissioner, we do respect your office. And at 8 years, God tried very well for your brother, Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu. And can you just follow some of the legacies he left behind?
Yes, Iwuanyanwu left numerous legacies. First, let's start from his legacies for Imo State. Iwuanyanwu, we can say, was the person who single-handedly made sure that he funded the actualization of the Imo airport that we are standing in today. Iwuanyanwu was also the person who built the first airline called the Oriental Airline, then that this airport enjoyed. Iwuanyanwu also went ahead to launch one of the first football clubs that came out from the southeast, Iwuanyanwu Nationals. He went on to launch one of the most famous engineering construction firms that helped in reconstruction of the roads within the southeast region. Iwuanyanwu has also been a frontline of the Igbo race. Iwuanyanwu is someone who was one of the first Igbo men to contest for the presidency of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And he did that given the Igbo clan, the Igbo nation, a very good standing in Nigeria today. Iwuanyanwu has been a beacon of hope, a philanthropist who cannot live without seeing people being alleviated from suffering. His legacies are too numerous to mention.
Finally, sir, legacies too numerous to mention. Finally, what's your prayer for his, departed soul?
My prayer is that our good God, our merciful Savior, grants his soul eternal rest.
Thank you.